Let's dive into the top 3 mukbang spells that will elevate your food reviews to a whole new level. First up, the flavor amplifier. Just visualize your favorite dish, and with a flick of your wrist, enhance its taste tenfold. Every bite bursts with flavor. Next, we have the appetite enchanter. This spell magically expands your capacity, allowing you to savor every morsel without feeling full. Finally, the charisma charm. This one boosts your charm and wit, making your reviews irresistibly engaging. With these spells, your mukbang game will be nothing short of legendary.